Chatal he's never going to stop. He has the voice. He's the voice of the street. You see, one thing is the industry will sit on your talent or they will sabotage you. But the street, when the street be your back, forget that is it. That is one thing I learned, like, bro, I don't care about anybody in the industry. Once the people on the street, I walk on the street, I like your content. That is more important to me than the validation for somebody who is sitting some AC if you are saying no more than me. You understand? I don't care. The street is where we get all our money from. So the street, the more validation, the more important than you really. That be the thing. So Shatta, he's not going to change. For how long have you been following me? He will not change. So either we accept him for who he is, or we move. As people are moving, so maybe okay, Shatta is like this, let's move. He's still going to be Shatta. I will say anything you said in our video once. Now, I'm all for starting also with the pressure to black people. Sheriff. The told us to say, to see how they hold Ghana, only the bitch in your queen winning Grammy. Am I? What you told? It is what it is, and the past that he wouldn't do, legit, and no crime can perform any pressure to listen. I don't know what the pressure to white is. You're fire young, young guy, oh, Justin Bieber, Grammy, anything. But no, big Johnny. Young artists out there that are I think so, I will say you slowed it down. We have to slow, you see, and this year the pressure also. Yeah, Hollywood and perform paracetamol. Yes, pressure in the young factory so that people are entitled to make their assertions and opinions. Yeah.